welcome back to the shop. We haven't had a shop night in a while. We're doing a snorkel, factory snorkel on a XMR 21, Outlander XMR. The whole purpose of this is we already did a snorkel video before. It was our first one, and we didn't know any better. But through BRP in Canada, 16 bucks is all it is. States it's probably 5. You know, you get a new gauge cluster like this, you buy your snorkel, you don't have that godly hole in the side here. You know, it happens. There's all kinds of guys have them, but with this $16, you don't have that hole no more. It's going to be easier. I don't have to cut the shit out of that one. I just get the templates, which we got all over the place here. And we'll cut this one. If I screw it up, not a big deal. I'll get another one. So, for those of you that want that part number, because if you don't know it, and the parts guy doesn't know it, 705013984. Like I said, it's 16 bucks in Canada, and you don't have a huge hole in the side. I think it's worth every dollar. So we're going to start putting this together and see how it turns out.
Okay, well, templates are on, buddy. I'm ready.
Yeah. So we got, I actually screwed up and I printed off C4. This is a C4 template. It's got the two little things for the, over there. It's actually supposed to be, if you look down here, template C2 and C3. I got the C3 right, but C4 and C3, the only difference I think is just this. It's the same damn thing, so we're going to try it anyway. But anyway, that's basically it. They're on. We figure we got them right. I'm going to drill the holes, cut them out, and hopefully it works.
Yep, should be alright.
So this is kind of what we look like here now. Pop the gauge out. Here's the stock one. Right here. We're gonna think we gotta steal these off for the other gauge cluster. Nice thing is, we ever sell the bike, I can pop this off, put it back to stock, keep the snorkel for the next one. If we go Outlander again, I gotta tidy that up. Our halo controls are all tucked away in there nice. So just gotta get this hose clamp off, pop this stock one off, put the new one on. We'll get to that, and we'll see how Ryan's making out over here.
Not too bad. Got them all drilled out, cut them out with the little thing, and just put the chain on them up. I got one shy Milwaukee tool. I want to get that little jigsaw. I think if you had a little jigsaw, it'd be perfect for this.
Yeah.
Turned out not too bad though.
Looks good. Okay, so it's all cut out. Side right here. Now with Jason's 2018 when we did this, we wound up having to make this hole way bigger because the snorkel just got in the way and was catching up on the top edge right here and to the left. And it wouldn't allow this to snap in real easy, and it was kind of kinking it. And I just test fit this one, and same problem. So that hasn't changed. So I'm going to take a little bit off of this side, bring it right up to here. Doesn't matter, this covers it all anyway. So we'll give her a little trim and try it again. Okay, so I butchered it enough to make it so that that snorkel tube will fit through there. Flip it over. I had to take it way up. Like, it's crazy how much. You snap that thing in, it kinks the friggin' kinks the snorkel right over, squeezes it tight. No way enough air is getting through there, so I had to chop it way up high. But anyway, you got 4 rivets to put in to fasten these 2 pieces. And I'm going to throw the little benums that go in here, so we can put the gauge back on, snap all this in. Oh, I guess I might as well come back over here. So yeah, this here, so with the way they got you to cut it, roughly here, it's squeezed in like this. It just doesn't fit right. As soon as you snap it down, kinks this right over, and obviously that's no good. Anyway, this is all put in. They give you new clamps, but I just reused the old ones. Down there, there's a joiner right there. So I'll snap it all back together and we'll take a look at the finished product. Okay, here's the finished product. It's on here. No gaping hole. Other side. Looks the same as before. So, one of the biggest problems I had was sticker placement. It clearly fits perfectly across here, but then you can't get little tabs to pop that frog skin stuff out. So I said to hell with it, I don't want to cover that up. I want to be able to pop that off in case I get a big slug of shit in the field. So we put it there instead. It may come back off. I don't know if I like it, but we'll try it. Other than that, that's a Can-Am snorkel install. All done. I like it. I think it looks better than 3 tubes sticking out of there. I know it doesn't do the clutch, but the engine's the most important anyway. So, anywho, talk to you later.